This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Gale Upchurch. All brick home in Pitchkettle Estates features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and approximately 3,668 square feet. Open floor plan features 2-story family room west/gas fireplace to kitchen featuring granite countertops, eat-in area, center island with wine frig. First floor primary ensuite includes 2-sided gas fireplace to private sitting room. First floor office, dining room. Second floor catwalk is designed with private ensuite, in-law suite plus 2 more bedrooms at opposite end. Huge media/entertainment room. Man cave does not disappoint. Plenty of room to host your family and guests on large back deck. Start grilling. For more information, review the details below or contact Gale Upchurch at 757-377-6689.